Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to set up Tassimo coffee machine. Firstly, remove the water tank, usually at the back or side, and wash it with a warm soapy water. Rinse thoroughly and fill it with fresh cold water, then reattach it to the machine. Now open the brew head and find the yellow or orange service disc. Then insert the service disc into the brew head and close it firmly. Place a large cup or mug under the spout and press the start button to begin the cleaning cycle. Water will run through the machine to clean it, and repeat the cleaning process from 2 to 3 times by refilling the water tank if needed. Once the cleaning is done, open the brew head, remove the service disc and store it back in the compartment. Insert the D-disc, close the lid securely. Now insert the T-disc and close the lid securely, then press the start button. The machine will read the barcode and brew your drink automatically. And that's it, your Tassimo is now ready to use.